Today we're proud to introduce Gill Batteries by Teledyne, a name synonymous with excellence in aircraft power systems. Whether you're looking for maintenance-free sealed VRLA batteries or dependable dry charge solutions, Gill Batteries are engineered to deliver unmatched reliability, superior performance, and advanced technology for aircraft operators worldwide. Let's take a closer look at how Gill Batteries can enhance your operations and keep you flying. Say goodbye to routine battery maintenance with Gill's sealed valve-regulated lead-acid aircraft batteries, or VRLA for short. These aircraft batteries offer a maintenance-free, high-performance solution for your aircraft. Gill's VRLA batteries are designed with absorbed glass mat separators that immobilize the electrolyte, allowing operation in any orientation without the risk of spills. This design enhances safety and eliminates the need for regular electrolyte level checks, saving you time and reducing upkeep costs. Engineered with premium-grade electrolytes, these batteries provide superior cranking power for quick and efficient engine starts, even in demanding environments. Their extended lifespan means fewer replacements, delivering exceptional long-term value. For operators looking for power on demand, Gill's dry-charged lead-acid batteries are the perfect solution. These batteries are designed for reliability and are especially suited for aircraft that are not in constant use. Gill dry-charged batteries are built for pre-charged and dried electrodes, allowing them to be stored indefinitely until activated. This innovative design ensures fresh power when you need it most, eliminating concerns about battery degradation during storage. The quick activation process streamlines maintenance operations, reduces downtimes, and ensures consistent performance under demanding conditions. With dependable power delivery, these batteries keep your aircraft ready for takeoff with minimal preparation. Discover the unmatched reliability of Gill dry-charge batteries and power your fleet with confidence. Whether it's a sealed VRLA or a dry-charge solution, Gill Batteries by Teledyne deliver industry-leading reliability, safety, and performance. And at Pilot John International, we make it easier than ever to get the power solutions you need. We're proud to stock a full range of Gill aircraft batteries and accessories ready to ship when you are. Place your order before 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and we'll ship it the same day, ensuring you get the batteries and accessories you need without delay. Backed by expert support, unwavering quality, and our commitment to keeping you flying, Pilot John International is your trusted partner for aircraft power solutions. Visit our website, call, or chat with us today to upgrade with Gill Batteries by Teledyne.